Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are going to look at this question and it says solve for x in 5 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x equals to 125 to the power of x. So we are going to solve for the value of x from that equation. So we are given 5 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x equals to 125 to the power of x. So what we are going to do is for us to divide all through by 125 to the power of x. So this will give us 5 to the power of x all over 125 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x all over 125 to the power of x equals to 125 to the power of x all over 125 to the power of x. So here will cancel here and this will cancel here 1. So in this case, we are having 5 to the power of x all over 125 to the power of x plus 25 to the power of x all over 125 to the power of x equals to 1. Here we can recall that, say note, when we have a to the power of x all over b to the power of x, the same thing as a all over b all to the power of x. So in this case, we can represent this in this format. So this will become 5 all over 125 all to the power of x plus 25 all over 125 all to the power of x equals to 1. Here 5 will cancel here 1 and 5 will cancel here. We have 25. 25 will cancel here 1 and 25 will cancel here 5. So we are now left with 1 all over 25 all to the power of x plus 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to 1. So in this case, we have 25 here. 25 is the same thing as 5 to the power of 2. So we can write this as 1 all over 5 to the power of 2 all to the power of x equals to 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to 1. So here we can write this as 1 to the power of 2 all over 5 to the power of 2 all to the power of x plus, okay, this place is plus 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to 1. So here can be written as, expressing this in this format, we have 1 all over 5 all to the power of 2, then all to the power of x, plus 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to 1. We can interchange this power. So this can become 1 all over 5 all to the power of x all to the power of 2 plus 1 all over x plus 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to 1. In this parenthesis, we have 1 all over 5 to the power of x and 1 all over 5 to the power of x. So what we are going to do is say, let 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to y. Substituting this in this format, substituting this in this place, we have y to the power of x plus y equals to 1. Here we have the highest power of y here as 2. So this will become y to the power of 2 plus y, when we transpose this into this other side, become minus 1 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and we can use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x by comparing this with the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in the form a x to the power of 2 plus b x, okay, plus c equals to 0. So in this case, our value of a equals to 1, and our value of b equals to 1, and our value of c equals to minus 1. So here, we can move over to this other side. So we have here, so here our quadratic formula is the form y equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, our value of y equals to, putting this parameter in this quadratic formula, we have minus b as minus 1 plus or minus square root of, we have 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a. Our a is 1, then our c is minus 1 all over 2 times 1. So y here is the same thing as minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 to the power of 2 is 1, then 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 will become plus 4 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So in this case, we have value of y equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 is 5 all over 2. So here we have two solutions from here because we have plus or minus. And it can be written as y1 equals to minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2, or we have y2 as minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. We recall that when we have 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to y. For us to find the value of x, because we are looking for the value of x, we need to substitute the value of y as each of these. So this will become, so we need to clean this. So in this case, we are having the value of x when we have 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to, let's take this one first. We have minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. This one is for case 1. So we have the second one as 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. But this is case 2. So we have this. If you look at case 1 and case 2, from case 1, we can see that this left-hand side is, let's say we have this way. The left-hand side here is positive equals to the right-hand side here, when you have minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2 is also positive. That is for the first case. The second one, you can see that we have the left-hand side as positive, which is equal to, we have minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2 also negative. So in this case, this second case, positive cannot be equal to negative. So the second one is rejected because we have positive this side and negative this side. So the first one, we will have positive here and positive here. That is the only solution that we are going to solve. So in that case, we've cancelled this one. So we are taking the first case, which is 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So for us to find the value of x from this case 1, we need to introduce log to both sides. So this will become log 1 all over 5 all to the power of x equals to log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So here we recall that, say note, when we have log a to the power of x, it's same thing as x log a. Expressing this in this format, we have here x log 1 all over 5 equals to log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So in this case, we can divide both sides by log 1 all over 5. So this will become, we divide here by log 1 all over 5 and we divide here by log 1 all over 5. This will cancel here and this will cancel here. Therefore, we need to clean this. Have the value of x as what we are going to get now from here is the value of x equals to log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2 all over log 1 all over 5. So this is value of x here. So we can rewrite this as x equals to log minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2 base 1 all over 5. So this is the value of x. Either of these two still serve as the answer of the value of x that satisfies this expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.